Up YouTube. Weather in Jersey was kind of crazy today. I really didn't get to do much, but yeah, I'll show you what I did do. Started getting everything back together, putting everything back together. What I did do was I changed my cowl, because as the car gets older, these start getting brittle, starts tearing up. So I replaced that, and it's quite simple. It's not hard at all to replace. You got this right here, which pops up. It's one of those plastic nut things that seals, not seals, but they just pop up, and then you can pull it all the way out, and then it's done. To replace this, just that. What else here? You would pop this off, expose the nut, take your wipers off. They have these lined up here, there, as you can see down there. They turn with an Allen key. Get an Allen key, and then once you remove this, I'll put these back on, because like I said, I'm getting everything back together. Cleaned everything up. Got the front of the engine clean now. You can see down there, it's not all black. Got my oil filter housing. The gaskets in. That's all in, tightened down. I didn't really video that, but yeah. So, just getting everything back together. Got the belt on, fresh belt. What else? Oh, I'm waiting on a new seal for this. This is one of the antifreeze pipes that goes to the dang, why is it slipping my mind? Dang, it's right down here. It's thermostat. There you go. The thermostat. My bad. My brain is just freaking fried. But yeah, it goes to your thermostat. So I'm waiting on that, and then getting the belt on. I freaking leaned on this too hard, broke this. So just ordered that again. So I'm waiting for that pipe to come in, and that comes with this section, that section down there, and this pipe right here. So, and it's not like it's replaceable, because you got that on there. It's pinched on. So, couldn't even rig it if you wanted to. But yeah, we got that. And then it's back to work. You know, I'll put on the rest of this stuff. But for now, that's where we at. As you can see, she's wet.